Every morning with the rising sun, you prepare the future one by one, with a piece of chalk and a hopeful smile. You walk the extra mile. You teach us dreams beyond the page, building tomorrow, shaping every age. Your words become the seeds we sow, helping every young heart grow. African teacher, standing proud and strong, lighting every path where we belong. Through every lesson, through every year, you fill our hearts with hope, not fear. African teacher, your legacy will stay, guiding every child along the way. Under village trees or city lights, you inspire minds to reach new heights. Every question finds a patient ear, every challenge disappears. You teach respect, you teach us grace, helping every child find their place. Your kindness echoes far and wide, with wisdom always as your guide. Books may close when the day is done, but your lessons travel with everyone. Generations rise because you care, a brighter future you've prepared. African teacher, standing proud and strong, lighting every path where we belong. Through every lesson, through every year, you fill our hearts with hope, not fear. African teacher, your legacy will stay in every dream we chase today. Thank you for believing from the start. You're the hero in every heart. The night is young, the future's bright. We're painting forever in silver light. If tomorrow brings another dawn, we'll still be singing the same sweet song. Through every season, through joy and tears, I'll hold you close through all the years. Kiss the girl, let the morning see a love that's growing naturally. Side by side, we'll face the world with faithful hearts forever unfurled. Kiss the girl, let our story swirl. Every sunrise starts with this. Kiss the girl. Kiss the girl. Oh, yeah. Oh. Open the gates. I've been standing at the crossroads, waiting for a brand new day. Every dream keeps calling louder, showing me another way. Through the storms and through the silence, I refuse to lose my faith. Now I see the light before me. It's time to open the gate. Open the gate, let hope walk in. Let a brand new life begin. Leave the fear and yesterday. There's a brighter road to take. Open the gate, don't hesitate. Love and faith will lead the way. Step into a better place. Open the gate today. Every heart deserves a future. Every soul deserves a chance. Lift your eyes beyond the shadows. Take the first courageous step. Together we can build tomorrow, with kindness as our guide. When we stand with one another, no dream is out of sight. The key has always been inside, waiting for the perfect time. Turn it now and walk ahead. Leave your doubts and fears behind. Open the gate, let peace arise. See the sunrise, fill the skies. Hand in hand we'll celebrate every blessing that awaits. walks with the morning sun, spreading peace to everyone. Simple life with a faithful heart, knowing every day's a brand new start. The roots run deep like an ancient tree, living strong, living free. Every step tells a story untold, more precious than silver or gold. Hey! Rastaman, keep the fire burning bright, shining hope through the darkest night. One love, one heart, one melody, together we'll live in harmony. Rastaman, let your spirit rise, with faith reflected in your eyes. Peace and love for every land, walking forward hand in hand. Yeah. The rhythm flows like the ocean tide, with truth and kindness as a guide. Every smile becomes a song, reminding us where we belong. No matter where the journey goes, a seed of hope is always sown. With every heartbeat, every prayer, a better world is waiting there. Hey. Lift your voice to the open sky, let compassion multiply. When we stand as one today, love will always find a way. Rastaman, keep the fire burning bright, lighting every dream with peaceful light. One love, one heart, one destiny, together we'll shape tomorrow's story. Rastaman, let your message stand, bringing hope across the land. Side by side we'll always say, peace and love will lead the way. Hey, na 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 na. Oh yeah yeah. Think they know my story, from the smile upon my face. They never see the battles or the strength that gave me grace. They think the road was easy, that fortune came my way. They never saw the sleepless nights, oh, or prayers I chose to pray. They think they know it all, but they don't hear the silent call. Every scar has made me strong. Every setback moved me on. Let them talk, let them say, I'll keep walking anyway. They think they know my name, but they'll never know my flame. I'm chasing riches or living for the fame, but I'm building something greater with honesty as my aim. The mountains made me humble, every step revealed my place. One day the truth will shine so bright, like the sunrise after night. Those who doubted, those who laughed, will see the beauty of my path. They think they know it all, but I refuse to let hope fall. I'll keep rising, standing tall, no matter how the shadows call. Dream by dream, day by day, I'll keep finding my own way. They think they know my story's end, but this is where my life begins. Every morning with the rising sun, you prepare the future one by one, with a piece of chalk and a hopeful smile. You walk the extra mile. You teach us dreams beyond the page, building tomorrow, shaping every age. Your words become the seeds we sow, helping every young heart grow. African teacher, standing proud and strong, lighting every path where we belong. Through every lesson, through every year, you fill our hearts with hope, not fear. African teacher, your legacy will stay, guiding every child along the way. Hey. On the village village trees or city lights. You inspire minds to reach new heights. Every question finds a patient ear. Every challenge disappears. You teach respect, you teach us grace, helping every child find their place. Your kindness echoes far and wide, with wisdom always as your guide. Books may close when the day is done, but your lessons travel with everyone. Generations rise because you cared. A brighter future you've prepared. African teacher, standing proud and strong, lighting every path where we belong. Through every lesson, through every year, you fill our hearts with hope, not fear. African teacher, your legacy will stay in every dream we chase today. Thank you for believing from the start. You're the hero in every heart. Dancing on the ocean tide, soft wind whispering, stay by my side. Your smile shines brighter than the stars above. Tonight feels written in the book of love. No need for fear, no need to hide. Just take my hand and walk beside. Kiss the girl, let the moment fly, like a bird that's reaching for the sky. Heart to heart, let the whole world fade. Every dream begins with a choice we've made. Kiss the girl, let our spirits twirl. Love can bloom with just one kiss. Kiss the girl. Every laugh becomes a melody. Every glance writes our history. The night is young, the future's bright. We're painting forever in silver light. If tomorrow brings another dawn, we'll still be singing the same sweet song. Through every season, through joy and tears, I'll hold you close through all the years. Kiss the girl, let the morning Open the gate today. I've been standing at the crossroads, waiting for a brand new day. Every dream keeps calling louder, showing me another way. Through the storms and through the silence, I refuse to lose my faith. Now I see the light before me. It's time to open the gate. Open the gate. Let hope walk in. Let a brand new life begin. Leave the fear and yesterday. There's a brighter road today. Open the gate, don't hesitate. Love and faith will lead the way. Open the gate today. Every heart deserves a future. Every soul deserves a chance. Lift your eyes beyond the shadows. Take the first courageous step. Together we can build tomorrow, with kindness as our guide. When we stand with one another, no dream is out of sight. The key has always been inside, waiting for the perfect time. Turn it now and walk ahead. Leave your doubts and fears behind. Open the gate, let peace arise. See the sunrise, fill the skies. Hand in hand we'll celebrate every blessing that awaits. Open the gate, let freedom sing. Let every hopeful heart believe. A brighter world is ours to make. So come and open the gate. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, yeah, na, 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 na. Hey. Rastaman walks with the morning sun, spreading peace to everyone. Simple life with a faithful heart, knowing every day is a brand new start. run deep like an ancient tree, living strong, living free. Every step tells a story untold, more precious than silver or gold. Rastaman, keep the fire burning bright, shining hope through the darkest night. One love, one heart, one melody. Together we live in harmony. Rastaman, let your spirit rise, with faith reflected in your eyes. Peace and love for every land, walking forward hand in hand. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. The rhythm flows like the ocean tide, with truth and kindness as a guide. Every smile becomes a song, reminding us where we belong. No matter where the journey goes, a seed of hope is always sown. With every heartbeat, every prayer, a better world is waiting there. Lift your voice to the open sky, let compassion multiply. When we stand as one today, love will always find a way. Rastaman, keep the fire burning bright, lighting every dream with peaceful light. One love, one heart, one destiny. Together we'll shape tomorrow's story. Rastaman, let your message stand, bringing hope across the land. Side by side we'll always say, peace and love will lead the They think they know my story, from the smile upon my face. They never see the battles or the strength that gave me grace. They think the road was easy, that fortune came my way. They never saw the sleepless nights or prayers I chose to pray. They think they know it all, but they don't hear the silent call. Every scar has made me strong, every setback moved me on. Let them talk, honesty as my aim. The mountains made me humble, the valleys taught me faith. Every lesson shaped my heart, every step revealed my place. One day the truth will shine so bright, like the sunrise after night. Those who doubted, those who laughed, will see the beauty of my path. They think they know it all, but I refuse to let hope fall. I'll keep rising, standing tall, no matter how the shadows call. Dream by dream, day by day, I'll keep finding my own way. They think they know my story's end, but this is where my life begins.